Today is day in the life of a Forex trader. Let's get it.
That is in no way the realistic day in the life of the trader, okay? We don't do both days on the realistic day. I start my day like any other human. I gotta wash this ass first thing in the morning, brush my teeth, and then we gotta get down to business, you know? First thing I like to do, man, I like to look at the charts. I like to look at the charts. I like to see what news I have for the day. That's so important to me. And what you'll see happening right now is I did spot a really good trade on GBP JPY first thing in the morning. So I definitely took that trade. You have to send it out to the group because you guys know, number one, I never eat alone. So I had to send the trade out to the group, send it to them, make sure they're also in the trade with me because we got to stay focused. We got to stay focused, and I got to sit down, go over what I'm doing today with my wife. We got to blabber on, and I just kind of wait for things to kind of play out. That's how I actually start my day.
So I think for the most part, that's basically how I'm going to be starting my mornings. You know, you wake up, you shower, you brush your teeth, you make sure you're good, you order some coffee or make some coffee if there's some coffee in the house. I usually do like to go to the gym. However, as of making this video, guys, I am injured. My foot is actually pretty messed up. I can't be at the gym right now jogging and stuff. Even putting pressure on it is a problem. So we today are going to skip the gym part of everything, and we are doing some chart work. We're in the charts full time right now. One of the most stressful things is that you never know if you're gonna make money for the day. You just never know. Like, as long as you've been in the game, I think the longer you are in the game, the longer you are a day trader, the more you actually understand that not every day is a guarantee. You never go to the market saying, okay, I'm going to make this much. You say, okay, I want to make this much, right? Because the markets is all logical, it's all about facts. So you just have to kind of rely on what structure is there, whether or not it's gonna follow your structure, whether or not you analyze correctly, and you know, you traded with banks, not against them. So let me actually show you what I'm doing right now. So I am, of course, in a gold trade right now. I type in this gold trade right here, and I come down and test my support before buying up. And gold has been in a very strong uptrend, and I do anticipate it's going to continue its uptrend. So I am holding it right now. I did enter at a little bit of a riskier point because I like to get in more so on momentum. So what I'm doing right now is I have to prep a trade for the crew. So the best and the most safest place is going to be once we break above resistance. When we break above this previous resistance, and I know that we've officially broken that little downpour that we had, we can definitely continue to the top side. So I'm probably going to add one more position once we break and close above here and take it with the team. So I'll update you guys in a little bit how that goes. We are also on the live account because, you know, we have to do it live all the time. And if you guys are in my group, you guys have seen that this is the account I want to take to $1 million. It's from $250,000 deposit to $1 million. So that's what we're going to be doing. Forgive my voice, guys. It is super early. I'm a little bit groggy, but yeah, it's gonna shape out a little bit as we continue. But you know what I mean? When it's a little groggy, I sound a little better. You know what I'm saying? I sound a little better, you know? Right now, it'd be a good time to send my wife some voice notes, but we stay together, so it's kind of pointless. Actually, you know what? Flip it, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, yo, what's up, mama? How you doing? Hey, I could really use some coffee right now, you feel me? Tight shit. Hopefully that doesn't get me divorced. All right, let's see if she brings the coffee. Okay, let me show you guys this trade. All right, so it's doing brilliant stuff, man. It's doing brilliant stuff. I'm trading pretty hectic today. I am risking a little less than 10% of the account. I'm risking about 7% of the account on this trade because I'm pretty confident in it. So if we come and hit SL, I'm probably losing about $18,000. I'm up $23,000 right now. Up 23,000, 24. And yeah, I am definitely striking about 60K. That's what I want from this trade, 60K. So we're gonna wait on that. But as it goes, I'll let you know when I move my SL up. I'll update you guys. You know, this is just what my day looks like. So the purpose, guys, is to show you though a realistic day in my life. And it's awesome that we've actually started off with a pretty amazing win, a pretty big banger. It's pretty awesome we started this way. However, you know, that's not always the case, you know? I personally would have preferred if this video we lost. I'm not gonna lie. I would have preferred if we lost so that I can show you like you know, how you deal with it going forward. So as you can see, I know you guys are probably like, dude, you're making so much money and you're not hyped. Truth of the matter is, man, you reach a point where you just, you know, you have to be very objective with the markets. Anything can happen at any moment, right? If you celebrate too early, the markets can humble you in literally the next hour or the next few minutes. So you watch it, you keep your mind strong, you wait on it, and then place your trades, you make your money, and you get out the chart. And I'm the same when it's time for losing. If I lose, that's it, I've lost, end of story. I'm gonna win, it's beautiful, I love it. I'm gonna enjoy it, don't get me wrong. The second I'm outside of the markets, I'm gonna enjoy it. All right, we got that momentum I was talking about, we got that momentum. What I always do, guys, is I send a screenshot of the setup so everybody knows exactly what it is that we're doing, where we're taking our trade, where our SL is placed. Price currently right now is at 2,939. Of course, a pullback was expected as it climbed up. All right, we have our take profit, and our take profit is going to be 2,966. I'll also let you guys know why I'm targeting that area, so you guys have a good understanding of why we're actually doing that. And then stop loss is going to be 2,930. All right, so the trade is a 1-2-3 that we're entering right now. The first trade I entered earlier was it's a 1-5. This next trade is a 1-3. It's a little above a 1-3. I anticipate that gold is going to continue flying because it has been a safe haven for investors because of course, everything that's been happening with Donald Trump and all the tariffs. So everyone's kind of just been, you know, been flying to gold as the safe haven, as you know, they kind of wait out everything that's happening right now in the market. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated as we continue to go about. If you guys want to see a day outside of the charts, so a day outside of the charts, like what I actually do, how I actually spend this profit, or I don't actually spend my whole profit, but like you guys want to see what I invest in. So if withdraw, say, like right now I'm up about $31,000. So say I take out $31,000 right now. What do I do with it? Like, where do I go? Because most people will be like, oh, he's probably gonna go and buy designer or stuff. It's not always the case. If I'm gonna take out $30,000, I'm gonna put $10,000 away in a savings account. I'll probably put maybe another $10,000 in investment, and then the $10,000 I can use for whatever. Maybe we'll decide. But it's always important that you don't spend your profit as it comes. Don't spend your profit as it comes. It has to go into things that are gonna make you more money. That's just how I like to do it. But it doesn't mean I don't spend. Anyways, we'll talk about that at another stage. I'll keep you guys posted on the trade. Thank you, my baby. I'm probably gonna start playing games now because I actually don't have to check up on any of our other businesses until what time, babe? Until like what? Where's our first meeting?
It's at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. All right, so until 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. do some business with the other companies, and then that's probably gonna be a couple of hours, and then after that probably mentoring, and then yeah, it's just a realistic day in my life, man. I can't go and make it spontaneous for no absolute reason. This is what it is, what we do. She also has an appointment today, and I'm gonna go drop her off, so there's that as well. So I'll keep you guys posted on that as well. Damn, that's hot. Okay, so I'm still in my trade, guys. Right now, we're just headed out for Emmy's appointment because she can't do anything without, whether it's, you know, scratch your ass. She can't even do that without me.
Nah,
Bro.
the truth is, you messed up your ankle running down the stairs.
I was
so
not running.
you also need to go see the doctor because your ankle's messed up.
It's not messed up. I'm driving just fine. I'm fine.
But that's not the ankle you
Listen.
used to drive.
No sprained ankle is gonna take me out. Okay, so we just arrived at Emmy's appointment. So I'm just looking at the trade. It's currently fluctuating in and out of profit. It shot up about 30 pips from the second entry, and we're still testing that neckline over there. So we're just gonna let that kind of do that for a little bit. We are currently $21,000 in profit. The USD JPY trade is going crazy though. That's almost $5,000 in profit on that, and the second entry is down almost 2,000. So we're just gonna wait, kind of let that play out. I'm not too worried about anything at this point in time because everything's still playing out as expected. I will start to get worried if we start to push down a little bit lower, but as long as we don't break that initial first entry, then we're still pretty fine on the trade. She's just gone in for like her doctor's appointment. I never like to go inside because I'm usually the only dude, and I'm just sitting there and just on my phone. It's boring. It's really, really boring. So what I like to do is I probably sit in the car. Usually I go out and I smoke some shisha and just chill and wait for it to be finished. She can Uber around. It's Dubai. It's super safe, so she can always Uber around if she wants to, but we prefer I pick her up and drop her off. So it is what it is. Husband duties, you know what I mean? You can't escape them regardless. You cannot escape them. So what I am gonna do right now is I'm gonna play Score Hero on my phone. And I'm by no way sponsored by them, but I just gotta put y'all on. It's a fun game. If you guys love playing FIFA, play some Score Hero. Probably just gonna do that the whole time. I don't know, man. I'm just waiting. I'm bored right now, so I'm just gonna chill. I don't wanna go to the shisha place because she's not gonna be too long. And yeah, my leg's busted, bro. I'm not really trying to be walking up and down right now, so I'm just gonna chill in the car.
still just fluctuating. I have levels that I don't want it to get to before I start to readjust, but so far we're gonna hold it at TP or SL. As things currently stand. So it's just a waiting game, that's all it is. Salad. I think I'm gonna be calm today, eh? Can I just do your Bobby? We also never really eat this early.
What do you mean this early? What does he mean this early?
We start eating at like 5.
He means the chemical element helium. Do you want to hear the next one?
What she said.
As a pronoun,
No, thank you.
Right, so we're getting a lot of like resistance. We're still playing around the same area. So what I'm gonna do to be safe, I can't move my SL to break even just yet. It's still too close. But I'm gonna close one position at $11,000. I am aiming for 60K today. I do have another position I did open for my second trade. So I'm gonna use that one to wait. We are gonna hit 60K today. That is the goal for the end of the day. So I'm gonna let that run, but I want to secure at least 11,000 today, just to make sure this day is still a blue day. So we're securing that first, just to be safe and adapt into the trade. So today we closed $11,500. We still have 15K running in profit, so yeah, nothing too crazy. Let it hold, let it do its thing. Oh, damn, team. So literally as I'm eating, the trade shot against us. Absolutely disgusting, absolutely disgusting. So that took my loss to 9,000, right? So my loss is on 9,000. Let's see if my next trade I can reel it back. Even the USD pair fell back to entry. So let's see what I can do if I can rail this back in. This is literally what I was talking about in trading. There is no guarantees. Even though it's up 30,000, that was not the goal for the day. You can't see profits and then get scared and quickly jump on and secure what you have. If you have a target and you have reason for your target, then it's 100% safe and fine, and it's important that you do it. So we just got wiped, $9,000 down. Let's see if we can reel that back in. All right, so after that 9K wipe, we're currently up about 8,000. That would pretty much almost offset our current loss, but we're still waiting, right? So we are at a significant area of support. I'm gonna keep my SL slightly below any potential hunts, and yeah, we're gonna let price run up, catch it once it hits support. Let's catch it on the rise back up. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on this. Still holding, still the same target that I do have, and we're gonna let price run.
Here's Mr. messed up his ankle.
It's perfectly fine.
It don't look perfectly fine.
This is how you walk down the stairs anyways.
I don't know about all that.
Part of my swag, it's my mouth.
For no misunderstandings again.
Hey. All right. Let's go.
It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
All right, so I only closed 50% of that initial position. So we've made $1,000 profit. I'm letting the rest run, which is at $11,000. My wife is gonna update the team because I'm driving.
All right, guys, we making money.
We getting rich together. Yeah.
Baby, update the crew, please.
I don't know on what yet. I don't know on what yet.
Me, the
but-
Telegram free group, baby.
Oh.
Yes, baby. Where I sent the trade as well, baby.
And it's a live account and everything. So we finna eat good. We finna eat my husband money.
Babe, did you update the elite group? All right, it's a matter of urgency. They gotta know where the trade is at all points in time. Please,
All right,
baby.
okay, cool.
I can't do it.
Okay, I'm updating. Okay, what
All
must I
right,
say?
we're up 60 pips right now.
What must I do? Must I send this? What am I doing? How do I do this?
Just say 60
a screenshot.
pips.
Oh.
No, 60. You can do a screenshot as well.
Okay.
Name the price right now.
Okay, so the price is at $29.35.
Okay, cool. Entry was 29.28 that I sent to the group. That is 70 pips.
Okay, so they're gonna see that this is not you texting. Up 70.
No, let me.
pips.
I need to see it to review it just to make sure.
Ooh, a bunch of emojis, some flexing, some fire, some 100, going up arrow. How we doing? How we doing?
I can't see it right now.
Okay,
I'd love to look. Yeah.
I'm just gonna send it like this.
Alright.
Sent. I sent the message. Okay, let me turn this around so you can see. I sent some fire emojis, some 100, some flexing, some cash coming out the mouth emojis.
Oh my, no, babe.
You know what I'm saying?
Babe.
I really made this a really nice, pretty message.
They're not supposed to be pretty. This is a group of traders.
Well, it is pretty, so we're making money.
Y'all can't see me, we getting rich. Hot body youngins.
Look how pretty that sunset is. I know most of you guys are not gonna care, but I just wanted to take this moment to show you how pretty the sunset is.
That's what I'm talking about right now. $17,000 up. There's that trade. Beautiful stuff right there. And it is at 29.39. I don't know if you guys can actually see that right now. Beautiful stuff. I'm gonna close 50% of that position and then just let the rest run to TP because my profit margin is gonna be pretty good. And there's another point for re-entry soon, but I'm securing as I go. Like I told you, trading is unpredictable, man. It's gonna do whatever it's gonna do. And you know, the team, we took the first trade together, we lost that one, and they end this one. And you know, because of proper R&R, we're actually above our previous L. So now we're actually in profit. So that's beautiful stuff right there. So let's let it run and I'm gonna update y'all.
Yeah, man, that's the beautiful part about trading. It's super unpredictable, right? You're gonna be up 30,000 at one point, then you're gonna be losing $9,000. Then you're gonna be up $9,000, and now up total of 18K from being up 30, which is fine because we're still holding pretty high projection. Price keeps shooting up 130 pips right now in profit on gold, so that's beautiful. So now I'm done with the major part of my trading. I'm completely done with the major part of it, so it's just monitoring my trade as it goes. I'm gonna take a break and then just wait for my Zoom calls to start and then do that, and then from there I'll take you guys on that journey with me. So let's get it.
More money. And then on top of that, we have, of course, the instrument, probably gold, of course, because I'm going to help Dom.
Even because I saw you call a gold trade today, in my mind, I was like,
always eager to trade. So the one thing I definitely suggest to you is that if days you want to trade you can't, you know, go out and maybe use those days for back testing, maybe play in the markets, because what will then happen in that point in time is you won't necessarily force a trade, especially if you're working on a strategy. What could start happening is you could start seeing potential trades now, actually potential trades. So if you're saying, okay, I can't see any potential trade, but I still want to trade, but I can't see nothing, then you back test. You go in your demo account, you figure out, okay, what can I do, what can I do? So just trust the process is what I said, man. Trust the process. But like I said, strategy-wise, dude, you're doing brilliantly, man. Honestly.
All right, team, so that was a realistic day in the life of a Forex trader. But if you guys want to see what I actually get up to outside of the charts, all you guys have to do is just comment down below. Comment down that you guys want a part 2, and I'll show you a realistic day outside of the charts.